Hey guys! Today's video topic is how to make a long distance relationship work. You've just met a guy or a girl and you have fun together. Things seem to be going great. The only problem is they live in another city or even country. If you haven't experienced a long distance relationship or the experience you had was not the best, it may seem a bit scary or even challenging, but long distance relationships work. They can be successful. Nothing is impossible. However, let's talk about some tips that will help your romance blossom. Tip number 1: talk everything out. Communication is very important. Be open with each other. Talk to your partner when you feel frustrated or upset that they are far away. Next one, listen to your partner when you fight. Fights are important for the growth, but to be more connected and close with a loved one, more important is to communicate your needs and worries, and also listen to your partner's point of view and try to understand them. Instead of skipping out on a conversation when there is some disagreement, instead of keeping your mouth shut, use that moment as an opportunity to work through things, and you'll see your relationship grow. Make surprises. Surprises can be anything. You can send your partner a small gift or even surprise them by coming to see them. It's very romantic, and the other person will appreciate it because you spent some time on making it happen. And also, it is something physical, and you can feel like your relationship is real and not just a virtual reality. Don't talk every day. It's really not necessary and might actually be damaging to your relationship if you talk to your partner all day, every day. But of course, it depends. You decided for yourself what is comfortable for you and what is not. But just in case you're wondering, you need to know that it is not a must and you can keep some mystery and some time for yourself. Especially if you are an introvert, you would want some space, or if you have some interesting big projects to work on, or if you're just simply busy with study. And in this case, when you go a few days without talking to your partner, the conversation will be even more interesting when you talk to them next time. And also, if your ideal levels of communication differ, you can discuss it because finding a compromise early on can help prevent frustration later. Ask yourself if they are the one. Because if you're just dating for fun, you might as well do it locally. Have a plan. You need to figure out when you will be able to live together, how often you're gonna meet and where, or else it will be hard to deal with uncertainty. Also, you both need to work towards the same direction. Next one, same vision. Make sure you have same vision. If you want this long distance relationship to be worth of waiting and be worth of all the struggles and sacrifices, you both need to have life visions that are aligned, and you need to have same values. You need to make sure it's not only passion, cuteness, and rainbows. There must be some shared vision of a possible future for you two. Watch movies together. Thanks to the internet and all the technologies, you can do a lot now what you couldn't do before. For example, you can synchronize the beginnings of the movie and enjoy it with your partner by calling or video chatting while you watch it. You can relax and imagine how would you act if your partner were in the same room with you. And also, if you are into video games, you can play them online together. Maintain your independence. While being in love and waiting on when you'll have the opportunity to meet with your partner for the next time, do not forget in all that you have a life. Make sure you have dreams and you work towards your goals. Keep yourself busy and do not forget about your friends. Cause let's be real, if this long distance thingy won't work, how you gonna feel about your life if you focused all your attention on that one person and forgot about everything else. Right? You'll regret it. So instead, keep up with your usual routines, make plans, and do not just sit and wait on the future with that boy or girl to happen. Stay optimistic. When your loved one is far away, it can bring feelings of loneliness and sadness, and you may feel like the love is unfair to you. But do not forget that it's only temporary. Do not forget to be grateful for the opportunity to be in love and for the chance of meeting this amazing person. Okay, that's some of the tips on how to make a long-distance relationship work. Feel free to share your thoughts and ideas down below. Okay, bye!